Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can create your own quizzes, questionnaires, question banks by the help of a tool known as Hot Potato. Hot Potato is a very simple tool, easy to learn, user friendly, and you can download it very easily from the web browser. So I will show you how you can download it. This is a site hotpot.uvc.ca. This is a site where you will get your latest version of the Hot Potato. Here you come for the option download Hot Potatoes for Windows 7.0. Okay, this is available for download. It is a free source. You can download easily and install in your laptops. Okay, so once you are done with this, I have already installed in my laptop. You see, this is a symbol for Hot Potatoes. Open this source. Now you can see there are many options: Zclose, Zmatch, Zmix, Zcross, Zquiz. In this video, we will discuss about the quiz, Zquiz, how we can create quiz. In the other videos, we will discuss about the other options. Okay, so we will click on the Zquiz. So here you can see this screen. In this screen, this is a title page. This is a question page. Here you can type your questions. We are having 4 options for question: multiple choice, short answer, hybrid, multi-select. Okay, we will discuss each one by one. What is the meaning for all these options? Here you can write your answers. Here you can give your feedback related to answers. Here you will collect. Here you will do which one is correct. Which option is correct? You have to tick. Okay. These are the short icons which have been created. All these options are there in the file. When you will click on the file, you will get many options. Okay, we will discuss one by one. So today first I am going to create my own quiz. I will type basic electronics quiz. Okay, suppose I am giving my first question. What is E-type semiconductor? Okay, fine. Answer I have given. It is a donor, acceptor, insulator, or none of the above. Okay. Suppose which one is correct? P-type means acceptor. So you have put a correct here. If you want to give feedback, try again. Well done. Write like this. Any feedback if you want to give, you can give here. Okay. Our first question is fixed. Now we'll move to second question. I will give short answer. Like diode is an isotype junction or PN junction or hybrid junction. Anything, you can give 3 options also. So what I will do, I will put a PN junction correct. Okay, so anything you can write. You can write one sentence also, a big answer also. Maximum 2 sentences you can write for a short answer. Okay. Next we'll move to question number 3. The hybrid one. What is hybrid? We will see. What is the maximum efficiency of the solar cell reported? Hybrid means it is a mix. It is a mix of, first you have to give the correct data, near about data, and then it will give the options. How we will see when we will deal with the quiz. Okay. Suppose I am giving first option greater than 10, less than 10, 20, 2, 30, and 40. And I am marking 20 to 30 is correct. What is the meaning of hybrid? It will question will come in the form of fill in the blanks, and you have to enter some data. Suppose you are entering less than 10, so options won't come. When the option is when you will enter data that is near to 20 to 30, like 15, 16, 17, 25, 30, then the options will come. Okay, how? We will see. Next question, we will see. We will give multi-select. What are the elements used for E-type doping? Okay, I will give indium boron, antimony, and then suppose I am giving what? Aluminum. Okay, in this, three options are correct. Which one? Indium, boron, and aluminum. Three answers are correct. So I have given three options. In that, in the third question, I have given 2025. So in all the questions, I have given options. If you won't give the option, then it won't be saved. Okay, error will come. So definitely you have to click on the option which option is correct. So after giving 4 questions, I will save in my desktop. I will give short form basic electronics, and I have saved. This is a Zquiz file. Okay, if you won't install Hot Potato, then it won't be saved. It won't be open in your laptop. Okay, if you want to send this file to someone, it won't be open until unless Zquiz is installed. You have to install the Zquiz, then only this file can be open. Now you want to give this quiz to a student. What you will give? You will give the web address. So how you will create a web page. So you can see here, you can create a web page, or you can create zip package also. Both the options are there. In the zip package, you can save into the Google Drive and you can send to the student. In the web page, you can create HTML link and you can send to the student. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can do. Both options are there. Okay, I will go for create web page, standard format, save, like this. I have saved. Now this is the web page link. What is I am having? The following files have been created. User desktop BSTM. What we will do? View the exercise in my browser. I will do in my browser. Now you can see questions with options as came. Okay, what is a p-type semiconductor? We have marked acceptor. See, 100% correct. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Our diode. Suppose I am writing only junction. Now check. Wrong. My answer is wrong because I have answered only junction. I will write PN junction. Okay. Now what I will do? Check. See, now my answer is correct. Fine. Okay. Why the score is 91%? Because exactly what phrases we are giving, the students won't type. I have mentioned a capital and small. Here I have mentioned both small. Until unless everything will match, 100% won't come. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. What is the maximum efficiency of the solar cell reporter? See, the answer options are coming in the form of blank. If I give 10, now check. See, your answer is partly wrong. If I give 40, try again. Okay. Now the options are coming. Okay. So my option is 20 to 30. I will scored marks. Since I have done in 3 attempts, that's why my score is 77%. If I have done in 1 attempt, then I have scored 100%. Okay. Now we'll move to 4th question. What are the elements used for p-type doping? What I have given? Aluminum, boron. Suppose I am giving 2 options only. So it is not correct. 3 by 4th option is only correct. Okay. Now I am giving indium also. Okay. Now we will check. Now you can see our exercise is completed. Okay. So I hope you have understood everything. Hope next time I am going to share my next video. Okay.